Hi, this is Suman from Civil Unboxing channel. First of all, I would like to thank you all for clicking on this video. Today, I will show you a simple 3 BHK floor plan which having the plot area of 1479 square feet with size of 32 feet 6 inch by 45 feet 6 inch and house plan area of 1097 square feet. That means 28 feet 6 inch by 38 feet 6 inch. As you can see, the plot is of north facing, which having the front open space of 5 feet and remaining 3 sides with 2 feet for easy side path accessing and air circulation as per building bylaws. So let's see the beautiful house plan step by step. So from the south side of the plot, I have placed 2 bedrooms with 10 feet by 12 feet which consisting of 120 square feet each in area. In both of the bedrooms, 2 windows of 4 feet span have been provided for cross air ventilation purpose. Between these 2 bedrooms, a common toilet cum bathroom with 6 feet by 7 feet area has been provided with a ventilator of 2 feet span. Alright, coming to the kitchen portion which consists of approx 90 square feet area. In this kitchen, I have provided east facing window with 4 feet span and 2 sliding glass window with 3 feet 6 inch span for sufficient daylight as well as air circulation. Now coming to the north side of the plan, a drawing room with a vacant area of 136.5 square feet has been provided, which is quite spacious. Beside the drawing room, in the west face of the plan, a guest room or a bedroom with 120 square feet has also been placed. This guest bedroom also having the provision of 1 window with 4 feet span and 2 sliding windows with 3 feet 6 inch span. In the either sides of the guest room, a common toilet and veranda has been placed. Now for accessing the roof or the first floor of the house, a dogleg stair has been provided. The staircase having total area of approx 68 square feet. The landing dimension of 6 feet 3 inch by 3 feet. With each tread or steps having the dimension of 3 feet by 10 inch. A two-wheeler can be parked under the staircase or otherwise the veranda area can be used for two-wheeler parking also as per your convenience. By the way, in this plan, all windows are provided with 4 feet span except sliding windows. All doors of bedrooms having the dimension of 3 feet 6 inch and toilet doors are of 2 feet 4 inch size. While the main entrance door is having the larger size of 4 feet 6 inch. 2 wash basin can be provided at the corner of the bathrooms cum toilet. So guys, that is the 3 BHK simple house plan. I hope you gain some good knowledge regarding house plan clearly. If you think that you have learned something from this topic, then please poll your opinion on the comment box. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel so that you get more informative civil unboxing video in the upcoming class. That's it for today. Thanks for being with me. Thanks a lot.